Welcome. I'm Dr. Lynn Friedman. I treat patients in psychoanalysis and psychodynamic therapy. For many years, I've served as a clinical psychologist and a training and supervising analyst in Washington, D.C. I supervise and train psychoanalysts and psychodynamic psychotherapists, both locally and nationally. Also, I'm on the faculty at Johns Hopkins University, and I teach psychiatrists in the medical school at Georgetown University. Thank you for joining me for my video series. Today, I'm going to talk about what is psychoanalysis. People often ask, what is psychoanalysis? What are its benefits? And how does it help? Psychoanalysis is a form of intensive psychotherapy. Also, it's a theory that can be applied to many different things and a research method. Psychoanalysis can help change your character or personality in some very deep and fundamental ways. For what kind of difficulties do people seek psychoanalysis? What are the main goals of psychoanalysis? How does it work? What methods are used? And are there psychoanalysts in Washington, D.C.? Each will be addressed in turn. So let's start first with what are the goals of psychoanalysis? That is, for what do people seek analysis? People seek analysis to overcome difficulty with intimate relationships. That draws a lot of people to reach out. Difficulty with friends and colleagues. A wish to understand one's feelings and one's internal world. I think that actually drives more people than anything else who show up at my doorstep. Difficulty identifying and achieving work-life goals. Anxiety, depression, trouble with intimacy, family problems, consistently underachieving in school, college, or graduate school, underachieving at work, anxiety about abandonment and trust, particularly when they've been traumatized, writer's block. I see a lot of this among the professors who I hear from. Imposter syndrome, not really a diagnosis, but many people struggle with it anyhow. Workplace or school conflicts, such as difficulty with the boss or the professor or the teacher, or difficulty with colleagues, or failure to get promoted and progress. Self-sabotaging behavior and thoughts, fear of success, more prevalent than you might imagine. I should also add to this list that increasingly more and more helping professionals show up in our offices, such as psychiatrists, psychologists, social workers, counselors, clergy, professors, and teachers. These people seek treatment because they recognize how much more effective it allows them to be in their work. What are the goals of psychoanalysis? Well, a successful psychoanalysis leads to character development and character change. It helps individuals to become more secure, confident, thoughtful, assertive, serene, creative, whole, and mature. It may help you resolve difficulties with abandonment and intimacy. Also, very importantly, it may help you to become more able to step back and appreciate the perspectives of others. Psychoanalysis can unleash creativity. With a successful analysis, you may be able to derive more enjoyment in work and play. Often, these changes lead to closer relationships with partners, family, friends, neighbors, bosses, subordinates, colleagues, and just people who you come across in your everyday life. Many people who listen to this video want to know, how is psychoanalysis transformative? To learn more about how psychoanalysis helps people change, tune in for our next video, How is Psychoanalysis Transformative? Thank you for listening today. In addition to treating psychiatrists, psychologists, psychoanalysts, and psychoanalysts in training, and others, I greatly enjoy working with people from a wide array of professions and backgrounds. Beyond clinical work, I provide consultation and supervision to clinicians at all stages of their professional odyssey. Also, reflecting the vibrant fabric of Washington, D.C.'s cosmopolitan and international community, I see people from all over the U.S. and from all over the world, representing many races and creeds. I value this uniqueness and recognize the important role that culture plays. If I can be helpful, feel free to reach out.